Is LG Smart TV? When asking, is LG Smart TV? It seems like you're wondering about the nature or quality of LG's Smart TV offerings. LG Smart TVs are a popular choice for many, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. They are known for their excellent picture quality, intuitive operating system, and wide array of smart features that enhance the viewing experience. In this explanation, we will explore what makes LG Smart TVs stand out and whether they are worth considering for your next television purchase. What makes LG Smart TVs different? LG Smart TVs are equipped with the company's proprietary webOS, an intuitive operating system that allows easy access to a variety of apps and services. This operating system provides a seamless experience for streaming, gaming, and browsing. LG Smart TVs are also integrated with voice control capabilities, allowing users to interact with the TV hands-free. The system is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to people of all ages. Picture quality of LG Smart TVs. One of the standout features of LG Smart TVs is their picture quality. LG's OLED technology, available in many of their high-end models, provides stunning color accuracy, deep blacks, and an overall superior contrast ratio. Additionally, their NanoCell technology, found in some mid-range models, enhances color consistency and clarity. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, LG Smart TVs are known for delivering an excellent visual experience. Smart features and connectivity. LG Smart TVs come with a range of smart features that elevate the TV watching experience. Users can easily access popular streaming services such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime directly from the TV. They also support features like screen sharing, allowing content to be mirrored from smartphones or tablets onto the TV. Furthermore, LG TVs integrate with major voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, enabling hands-free control. Design and build quality. In terms of design, LG Smart TVs are sleek and modern, often featuring ultra-thin bezels and a minimalist aesthetic that can complement any living space. The build quality is durable, and the overall appearance is premium. Whether mounted on a wall or placed on a stand, these TVs add a touch of elegance to your home. In conclusion, LG Smart TVs offer a solid combination of superior picture quality, advanced features, and an intuitive interface. With models to suit various budgets, from affordable options to high-end OLED displays, LG Smart TVs cater to a broad audience. They are certainly a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their entertainment experience with a reliable and feature-packed TV.